Hey guys, today we are taking a look at the Kingpad SA10 Android 10.0 from Vastking. So let's open it up and take a look. Tell me about the slice. Wow. Ooh, double sliced. Ooh, do we get a double slice here too? Yeah. Whoa, so satisfying. Done, done, done. Okay, fine. Well, I guess it's better that it's protected. Okay. So, good construction. Let's turn her on, see if she has some juice. Y'all got juice? I think phones one day will be this big. So now I'm on the wide angle lens, so hopefully it gets a better idea of the scale of this guy. So we're gonna go start. And generally what I do with any tablet or iPads or iPhones is, well, not iPhones, but Android stuff, because there's a lot of different Android variants out there, is just go through the menus of the startup. So let's go skip. And generally you get a good idea of how fast a tablet is based on the transitions in the menus and how quickly it goes through. Knowledge is power. Yeah, so the animations look fine. There's no skipping or anything. We were able to get into Android really quick. So let's see if we can just pull up some apps. Yeah, so it's really, really fast. The other two that I reviewed on the channel, the prior two Android ones, this one is definitely the fastest. So if I have a newer video than this one, and if I do say that that one is the fastest, then it is. But I've done 3, this is the 3rd, and this is the fastest one I've used. Yeah, so just going through the menus. Let's try out the camera. Yeah, I mean, typical camera quality for generic tablet. Let's try the front-facing camera. I'm going to take a photo. You get a good shot of my double chin there. Yeah. Okay, so HDR. Good sound. It might not be coming through on the video, but it is pretty decent sound. The screen quality is nice, like it looks OLED. I'm not sure exactly the technology, but definitely worth checking out for the sub or just north of $100 price point. Really fast and responsive, able to get into the OS quickly. I do get a little artifacts when I'm scrolling there where it looks like it's blurring a bit. But other than that, perfect screen resting quality. Maybe not good for games, but just an extra tablet to have. Absolutely fantastic. Worth checking out. Hope you guys have a great day.